Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial video of TerraView data analytics tool. So today I'm gonna show you how we can visualize data in TerraView. So let's check it out with the dataset that we'll be using today is the Superstore. This dataset contains rows and columns that is like sales, categories, subcategories, each and every data transaction that has been collected in the sales. As you can see, you have sales, quantity, discount, profit, and there are many different categories, furniture, and we do also have subcategories with respect to regions. So this is the data set that we're gonna make some analytics today. So let's go ahead and start with some charts. The different options which we have is line, bar, pie, donut, funnel. We do also have the options of maps, geo maps, and crosstalk, which I'm going to demonstrate in a little bit. So moving forward, let's start with some categories. Let's figure out for some of the sales. Let's see how many sales we made in each category. So check for sales. As you can see, there has to be a numerical value in the row and categorical value in the column. And we can select line graph. So we also have different options to aggregate data, let's say average of each data. So as you can see, technology has some highest number of sales, whereas comparatively to furniture and office supplies. We can also create multiple sheets, dashboards, stories in this. Moving towards the sheet one, let's plot some graphs and let's check out for the profit based on subcategories. Let's say subcategory in the column and profit that is numerical in the row, and select bar chart. As you can see, they have this is the average. If we check for the sum, maximum, minimum, we do have median, mean that can be performed. So as you can see, we this according to this data set, there is a loss in tables, that is some huge number of loss in tables, and phones and copiers are some highest number of profit making categories. Moving forward, let's check for the other data sets, some plot more graphs. Let's plot some more graphs. We can see quantity and region. Let's see region wise quantity basically. We have the option of pie chart. In the same way, we do have an option for the donut. Let's say region wise sales, and we get the donut. We get to plot donut. As you can see, region wise sales. We do have the option of toggle options, like you can check it out for 3 regions rather than for 4 regions. You can also toggle this on and off. You can check hover on it to see number of the sales made in this region. That is, West region made around 7,25,457 amount of sales, whereas East made around 6,78,000 number of sales. We do have an option. Let's We have multiple charts and categories where we can analyze the data. So let's see one more example, like category and quantity based on categories, and I would select the box chart where you can see the minimum and maximum quantity for the furnitures, like the usual. You can find out median, mode, and everything as per the box charts. And moving towards the next graph, we will let's make a stacked bar chart. Let me explain you what stack bar chart is. Stack bar chart is it's like a stacked way of data representation. We have subcategory, sales, and region. Well, this is a group by value, which will be explained in the further videos as well. For now, let's see for the bar chart. This is the same bar chart that has a stacked, and we can toggle based on your interest to check which region makes more amount of sales, or based on uh, cat subcategories of each and every region. The the main one of the best option which I would say is we also have maps, geo maps. We do have the option of funnel, table, crosstab, and everything, where we can plot based on data. Geomaps and maps need some latitudes and longitudes, so that is also a very good option in TerraView. We have the option to rename the sheets. For example, if I try to rename this one, I want this to be a sales data set based on categories. Let's say sales. Moving towards. So these are the few sheets which you can rename each and every sheets and plot graphs, make n number of sheets based on the data sets. Let me show you a quick demonstration how to make a dashboard, how to create a dashboard. And it you can drag and drop in dashboard, where as you can see right now you have an option to see sales based on categories. You can drop second sheet comparison of categories and subcategories. You can compare subcategories with profit and categories with sales with respect to sales. And then you can check out with the region wise sales. You have an option for the donut, the same option for the donut as well. Then you can check for the box plot, and then it comes with the stack bar chart as well. We do have an option to delete the shade. If you want to remove the shade, if you dropped it by mistake, then you can just remove it and just drop the fifth shade. That will show you the stack bar chart. You can toggle on off here and check with central region for the sales based on this is based on category, and this is gonna be based on subcategories. Perfect. So this is the quick dashboard. You can click on download in order to download the dashboard, view the dashboard, and create the PPTs. Quick and easy method to demonstrate. We do have the option for stories, where we can create multiple stories. You have an option to create a single. We're gonna create one story right now. Add here, click on add here. You get the container where you need to drop the sheet, where this is the line chart that we made based on categories and sales. The other we have is like the sub bar chart, stack bar chart. You can still perform the aggregate functions here, average, mean, median, mode, and you can also toggle based on regions. You can drop the dashboard, create a story with your sheets and dashboards. So there are multiple different options, features that can be explored. So yeah, so that's it from my side. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, reach out to us anytime. Thank you.